Hey guys, morning. On my way to school right now. Left my wife in bed because she's gonna start working at 11 today, 11 to 7. So that's what's up. Have homework to turn in this morning, and yeah, gotta do a lot of studying because tomorrow's exam. And that's how I'm gonna keep it popping today, okay? Alright. Guess what, guys? Yeah, I'm home. Sorry I never got to update you while I was at school, but nothing much happened anyway, so you didn't miss anything, guys. You didn't miss anything. But I'm home now, and tonight we have Bible study. We also got some last minute reviews for the exam tomorrow. Excuse me. So if you've been following, you know I'm a nursing student. It's your boy, Mr. Brown, and I have medical surge tomorrow. Medical surgical. So I gotta look over some stuff. So it's now like what time? It's like 20 minutes to 5. I'm gonna change my clothes real quick, and I'm gonna get dinner ready, and then I'm gonna jump into the books, go pick up my wife, and we both go to the Bible study. So I'll show you what I'm cooking, okay? All right.
We can videotape after Bible study. That's fine.
Okay, guys. So it's basically only me right now. My wife came home. She fell asleep right after small group. I'm still up. It's now like 11 p.m. I just went over some stuff for my exam tomorrow, and I'm about to do some more schoolwork till around maybe 12:30. Then I'm gonna call it a night because I'll be up by 5:30. So that's the plan right now. All right. I know that this video is very short, but thanks again for supporting us, and keep watching, okay? There's so much more to come. press like, press share, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel. Alright, remember, just be brown.